Hi! This scrappy looking thing is a guitar stand, and this looks like scrap because it's made from scrap. In this video, I'll show how I made this one. See, it really is a guitar stand. Some cardboard angles, got these from a refrigerator packaging. A cardboard tube left over from some sheet. A couple of metal braces. A drilling machine. A knife. Some tape. A scissor. Some glue and some waste cardboard. First, we'll take the angles and place them together like this and drill two holes to fit some nut bolts so that they'll be held strongly together. And this is after I did that. Now I'm going to cut this here and here so that I can fold it there and make it into a Y shape. Now I'll crease it to make the folding easier. And now it's a Y. I'll put some tape here to make it less messy. I've cut a piece of the same cardboard angle to place it in between these legs so that they don't come close together. I'll stick it with glue. I'm putting on some clips to hold it in place till the glue dries. This cardboard tube is going to be the third leg and I don't need that long, so I'll cut it here. Now I need to cut a slit to insert the angle. There is a gap on either sides of the angle, so I'll fill it up with waste cardboard pieces. And now it is in position and doesn't move sideways. Now this angle should not slide like this, so I'm going to put a slit here to hold it in position. So it's done, and now this edge of the tube will go and sit inside the slit like this. Now I'm going to cut off the feet to make it parallel to the floor, and I've cut it. I need something here and here to hold the guitar like a shelf. So I'm going to use these braces, and I've cut pieces of the same cardboard angle and drilled some holes here and here. I'm going to attach the brace to the cardboard like this. I've cut some pieces from a waste leftover plywood and drilled holes in it, and I'm going to attach the brace to the cardboard using the plywood to hold the screws in place like this. So now I'll fix the brace to the cardboard. I made another one also. I have two more wooden pieces with holes drilled in them, which I'm going to use to fit behind the feet of the stand here, like this. I've drilled holes on the legs of the stand also. So I'll fix the brace to the legs now. And that is done. I'm going to fill the gap between the tube and the sides of the angle with these waste cardboard pieces now. Putting in more glue so that it sticks properly. I've attached some cardboard strips wrapped in tape here and here and here to provide reinforcement in this way. When the guitar comes and sits, the weight will push the legs away from each other like this, and here also. So the strip provides reinforcement for the legs to stay in place. Now I'm going to use this waste packaging cover to pad here, here and here. This has bubble wrap in it. I'm using double side tape to stick the cover here. And regular tape for the spine of the structure. And it's done. This project saved me some 500 rupees and it was fun to make it. That's it. See you in the next one.